Greetings to you all. This is Ministry Web Designing. My name is Glenn Brooks, and today we're going to talk about how to edit content that's within your web page. Okay, so I'm basically on my web page right now, and I'm actually logged in. First, you need to log into your account, which you have those credentials and that information, the password, and your actual username. Okay, so within your login of WordPress, if you notice here, there's an upper tab information here. The system that we use is integrated with Elementor. That's how we edit our pages. Okay, so say for instance, if you want to edit a page, you bring that particular page up. Now there's going to be, I'm going to show you two ways that you can actually get to that page. You can get from the surface of your regular website within the login of your dashboard within WordPress. So if you notice, here's my menu bar. So for practical purposes, we're going to use, let's make some changes to the Contact Us page. So I click on that tab, go to my contact page. Okay, so if you notice here, here's all the information within this page. So go to your top of your tab, click Edit with Elementor. Okay, here we go. So what happens here, you're going to see Elementor bring up its panel of icons, and then you notice the contents here. Now, if you notice here, none of this information here can be changed. This is hard-coded within your layout, so that can't change. What can be changed, if you notice, that is all blocked in. Okay, so whatever content that I want to choose to edit, what I have to do is go to that particular block. So in this training, we're going to use this block here. As soon as I clicked on this area, you notice on the left-hand side that this correlates to this information. So when you do your editing, try to work from your left side, okay, to make the changes to your content. So only thing I'm going to do here for practical purpose, I'm just going to add something here. Let's say, thanks for using us for, I can't even spell. Thanks for using us for your web design solution. Okay. Okay. So now that's what I want to add there. So if you notice, when I typed here, the information begins to promulgate on this side. And if you notice here, there's an update. Now what update does is going to actually save that information. Okay, it's done. So this information is actually saved. Okay. A notification going on here. Sorry about that. Okay, so basically what happens, that information is updated. How can I verify that the change is made on a live website? Okay, in the Elementor, in the left-hand corner, the little three bars are the hamburger menu. You click on that, and then you exit and go to the dashboard. So it's going to take you out of the edit part of the page, and then you're going to come here. Just click on the W in the left-hand side. It's going to take you back out here, and I'm just going to click and visit my site. Okay, this is actually the live site side of it. Okay, so remember we made changes to the Contact Us page. So I'm going to go to Contact Us page, and you notice here, there's the information that I put. Okay, so I'm going to take that information out, and then I'm going to show you how you can edit this page another, in other words, enter into another part of the WordPress menu. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Edit with Elementor. Okay, and then I'm going to remember to click on the box of the area you wanted to edit. Take that out. Okay, and hit update. Okay, go back out to the main dash. Okay, W. Now, this is the second way that you could get to the page that you want to edit. So if you know that page, the title of that page, you just find that page, which is contact us, you can enter edit with the Elementor from this area, and it just takes you to the same place that we were from the how we entered in from the main web page itself. Okay, so, and again, that's how you do that. Close this out, go back to the dashboard. Okay, go to the W, go to my main source opening, click visit website. Okay, I'm back to my page. So basically, what I just explained to you, you can do this with any page. Like I said, whatever page you choose to edit, just go to that page itself. It could have been any of these pages. Okay, you go to any of those pages, remember to go up to your upper tab, edit with the Elementor, and it brings up that particular page that you're going to be doing your editing in. Okay, and again, this is that page. I choose to do edit on this page. There we go. Okay, so wherever you need to make those edit changes, you just click in that block area. That information shows up on the left. You make your changes, or you can add, or whatever you're going to do to it. Just do it, update it after you make your changes, and then go back out to your dash. I'm not making any changes today. I'm going to leave. Okay. Okay. So basically that's it. That is pretty much simple. So this was the tutorial how to edit your content in your web page. Okay, y'all have a great and wonderful day, and I hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Just click on my Contact Us tab, send me the information that you're inquiring, or you can call me direct. Okay, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.